Hi, I'm Tori James, and welcome to episode 2 of Food Plus Body, where we explore how your body works from a nutrition perspective. Today, we're going to talk about protein. We'll discuss, why do we need protein? Is it just for building muscle? What foods contain protein? What are amino acids? And what is a complete protein? So why do we need protein? Is it just for building muscle? While protein does help build muscle, it has many other functions as well. Proteins function as enzymes. These are protein molecules that help speed up reactions in the body. Messengers. Some proteins help send messages in the body. For example, the amino acid tyrosine, along with the mineral iodine, is used to make thyroid hormones, which send messages to various parts of the body. Tyrosine is also used to make dopamine, epinephrine, and norepinephrine. The amino acid tryptophan is used to make serotonin, a neurotransmitter, and melatonin, a hormone. Insulin and glucagon are proteins that help regulate your blood glucose levels. Structure. Actin and myosin are proteins that help your muscles contract. They are found in cardiac, skeletal, and smooth muscle. Collagen, elastin, and keratin are proteins found in bone, teeth, skin, hair, nails, tendons, cartilage, and blood vessels. Transporters. Hemoglobin is a protein that transports oxygen in the blood to cells in your body. Lipoproteins transport fat from your liver or intestine to various cells in the body. Immune protection. Immunoproteins, IgG, IgA, IgM, IgE, and IgD, bind to foreign substances in the body so they can be destroyed by complement proteins or cytokines. So where do all these proteins come from? Protein is found in animal-based foods like meat, poultry, fish, eggs, milk, yogurt, and cheese, as well as plant-based foods like grains, legumes, nuts and seeds, and vegetables. This salmon fillet, for example, is a good source of protein. Whenever you eat this, the pieces go down into your stomach where the protein begins to get broken down, and then into your small intestine where the protein is broken down further. These pieces that remain are called amino acids. What are amino acids? An amino acid is the building block for all those different types of proteins. There are 20 different amino acids. 9 of them are essential, which means your body cannot make them. They must come from food. 6 of them are conditionally essential, which means usually your body can make them, but under certain conditions they become essential, like if you don't consume enough essential amino acids or certain circumstances like illness. The remaining 5 are non-essential, which doesn't mean you don't need them, but rather your body can make them by breaking other compounds apart and reusing the pieces. For example, let's say your body needs alanine. It can go over here and say, "Excuse me, pyruvate, I need some alanine." A reaction occurs, and we get alanine. Back to these essential amino acids. If they must come from food, do all foods with protein contain them? Well, not exactly. There are complete proteins and incomplete proteins. A complete protein contains all of the essential amino acids. Animal-based foods like meat, poultry, fish, dairy, and eggs, and certain plant-based foods like quinoa, soybeans, and chia seeds are complete proteins. Incomplete proteins are too low in one or more of the essential amino acids. For example, legumes and vegetables are low in methionine, grains are low in lysine, nuts and seeds are low in lysine, and corn is low in lysine and tryptophan. However, when you combine plant foods, you can create a complete protein. For example, beans and rice. The beans provide the lysine that is low in the rice, and the rice provides the methionine that's low in the beans. Now, whenever you're choosing plant foods, you don't have to worry about perfectly combining all the proteins at each meal. As long as you eat a variety of plant foods throughout the day, you can meet your essential amino acid needs. So as you can see, protein does a lot more than just help build muscle. And if you eat a variety of foods each day, you can easily meet your protein needs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.